Hey, what's going on? Just got this Mac Tools flyer. We're gonna shoot through it real quick. And I'm falling behind on videos, but like I said, I'm going through stuff and everything, and you know, when it rains, it pours. That's what they say, and it's true. But we're gonna get through it, and we're gonna come out better for it in the end. So here we go. I'm gonna do this real quick. This is the flyer, April 15th to May 12th. As you can see on the front cover here, we got the Flex Head ratcheting wrenches, and it's right here on the front page. And what it is, you buy a 12-piece metric set and you get a 8-piece standard set for free. And it comes in at a total of $293.99, which it isn't a very bad deal. $150 a set. You know, it might seem expensive, but they're pretty good wrenches, so it's not that bad. Here, for instance, I bought this set here, Mako set, 12-piece set, and I paid $254 or something for it. If you are looking for a set of ratcheting wrenches, however, and that seems like that's too expensive to you, man, buy these. Gearwrench Flex Head. I didn't pay much at all for these. I can't tell you the exact price, but it wasn't much, $50 or so, $60. And they're really good wrenches. So if you're in the market, I definitely would say if you want to spend a little more, don't just cheap out and buy the cheapest one. Those are quality wrenches for a good price. Let's move on here. We got the wheel service bundle kit. You get the anti-vibe drilling 2-pound hammer, large master bearing race driver, seal puller, and you get it all for $178.97. Now here we got the mini half-inch impact here. It claims to have 695 feet-pounds of torque. Now to me, a half-inch mini impact, I mean, I would just go with a 3/8, but you know, if you wanted it, that is going to be a little more powerful than 3/8. You may need it if you. It would just be a preference. Me, I personally own this. It's a 3/8 Ingersoll. I think I paid around $250 for it, and it's a powerful impact. It really is. It's expensive, yes, but in my opinion, you should never skimp out on cordless or air tools ever. Unless you're forced to buy something to get along with for now. But if you got the money, man, spend the money on that. You can skimp out in a lot of areas, but that's not one of them. But anyway, you get this half-inch mini impact, and you get this 15-piece half-inch metric stubby impact socket set, 6-point set. You get them both for a total of $309.99, and that's actually a pretty good deal considering they're giving you those sockets for free. Because if you know how much tool truck impact sockets are, they're really expensive, and that's your preference if you want to buy something like that. But to me, that's a pretty good deal. Now you see they got the Dewalt here. You get it's the DCK 283D2. Comes with a brushless compact drill driver and an impact driver combo kit. Comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, it looks like. And now this is a little on the pricey side. You can find this a lot cheaper, but it's $315.99. But they give you this 22-inch Tough System toolbox with it. Now, you can't, like I said, you can get them cheaper, but the tool truck driver's got to make some money too, and he's giving you the convenience of bringing it to you and the convenience of payments in a lot of cases. So, of course, they're going to be a little bit more expensive. But let's move here. We got the DeWalt heat gun, $129.99. It's a kit that includes 13 pieces, and you save $15 on that. Now these here, this is the 26-inch half-inch flexing lockhead ratchet for $242.99, and that's pretty cheap compared to normal price. Say for instance like a Mako, same type of ratchet, $300. Same with Snap-on, it's a little more expensive, so that's not a bad deal if you're looking for that. Now, I myself am about to buy a long half-inch ratchet. They come in handy. If you don't own one, you should probably try to get one at some point. It's not a major deal that you need to go out and buy right now, but it is something later on down the line you want to look at. Now we got the 3/8 18-inch ratchet, $152.99. These are all locking flex heads. Then we got the 1/4-inch 9-inch ratchet for $125.99. Down here we got the Mac Tools Multimeter, probably a rebranded Fluke. I don't know exactly, I'm just guessing, but it comes in at $169.99. And they're saying you save $10 off the original price. Now we got the cut, strip, crimp, test bundle. Save $26.99. You get the 2-piece retractable lead set, the wire stripper, crimper, and cutter all together for $64.99. Now we got the 1/2-inch torque wrenches. This is the digital torque wrench. This is saying it comes in at $359.99, but it's with the trade-in. And I don't like when anybody advertises a price that you need to do something in order to get that price. Just be straight up with me. Put the other price down smaller. Don't try to trick me into buying something. Harbor Freight does that a lot, but that's for another time here. So without the trade-in, you're looking at $419.99 for that. Then we got the 1/2-inch drive flex roundhead micro adjustable torque wrench coming at $299.99. And we got the 3-piece 1/2-inch lug and lock flip set, $99.99. Locking lug master key set, $129.99. Then we got the Mac Tools low profile 2-ton jack, and that's going to cost you $366.99. But once again, that's with the trade and upgrade. Without the trade, you're looking at $466.99. And they also have the jack stands here. That's a 6-ton jack stand set for $74.99. With the trade-in, $99.99. Without the trade-in, that's not bad for a set of 6-ton jack stands, in my opinion. But as far as the jack goes, if you want to spend your money on that, then there's nothing wrong with it. But me personally, I think that Daytona jack from Harbor Freight, you'll save a lot of money. That's a bad jack if you're looking to save money. All right, now we got the diagnostic bundle. You get the scan tablet and the tire pressure monitor reset tool. But there is no price. So I'm not sure the price on that, probably $4,000 or $5,000, $3,000, somewhere in that area. Then we got the Mac Tools trolley creeper set. That's going to cost you $184.99. Lubrication service bundle. You get all of this here. You got a heavy duty pistol grip grease gun, 3-piece handy packer bearing packing kit, and you get the 6-piece grease gun adapter set, and you get all of that for $177.96. You save $116 according to them. Then we got the 11-piece pistol grip blowgun kit, $71.99. See what all it comes with. I don't know if I would spend that much money on a blowgun kit, but you know, there's nothing wrong with it if you do. Me personally, I don't know. Then we got the continuous shot air-powered grease gun for $99.99. Man, grease guns are expensive. I went to Harbor Freight and I was just going to try to look for a cheap one. It was like $40 or something. I'm going to buy a better one. I don't know how good it works. I can't say that, but I'm not going to spend $40 on something I don't know about, especially for a grease gun. I'll just buy a better one that I know works better. Now we got the dial type thread depth gauge. Now this here, man, I just looked at this myself, but I'm definitely buying that. That's something that would come in real handy. I need that. And it's only $20.99, man. That's a great deal. Then we got the Analogue tire inflator gauge with 14-inch extended chuck. That's coming in at $99.99. We got the inflator gauge with dual foot chuck, $48.99. Then we got the Analogue tire inflator gauge with locking chuck, $84.99. And in this one, they're giving you your application for credit right in the book. Fill it out. Take it in. You'll get it. I guarantee it. Don't do that just because I said so. I don't want to have you own a bunch of money. Then we got the wheel balancer and changer combo here. There is no price, but it's up there. I guarantee that. But if you was wanting to look to own a shop or to start your own business, man, I tell you what, start a tire business. Even if it's just something to start out with, if you can afford to get something like this, start you a tire business, change tires for people, sell used tires, you can make some pretty good money like that. I mean, that's just a tip for you, in my opinion, and from my experience, from what I've seen, that's a great little side gig that you can do, or a second job you can do from your garage to start your own business. Anyway, then we got the big boy Maximizer toolbox with top, side locker, and side cabinet here. And of course, there is no price, but you already know. Get it while it's hot, boys. All right, here we go. We got the Mac Tools 7-drawer utility cart with lid. $1,274.99. That's not a bad deal. If you wanted something like that, it's a quality tool cart. So if you want to spend that much, then there's nothing wrong with it. Me personally, I had purchased the Harbor Freight cart, but I actually sold it, and I'm actually going to get a different cart, a little bit better cart. Not to say there's nothing wrong with that Harbor Freight cart. It's a great cart, but I just have different reasonings for doing it. Greatly reduce your diagnostic time. It's an intake leak tester and whatnot, but it's $1,169.99 for the kit. Okay, now, I'm going to show you this here. This is you buy this 5-ton 2 to 3 draw puller for $102.99, man, and you get this 2-ton puller for free. Now, if you need to use a puller, do not go to Harbor Freight and buy a puller because it will break. I can't say that any more clearly, man. Anything like this, ball bearing presses or anything, do not get them from Harbor Freight. That's just a tip for you because they are not good quality. I bought a set from Harbor Freight and I freaking demolished it, and it was in 1,000 pieces. I threw it in the trash. Spend a little money, get you something worth something, because anything that you have to put that much stress and pressure on, make sure it's good. Then we got the AC recovery units, $41.99.99, $55.99.99. And we got the infrared thermometer with target laser, $55.99. Not a bad price at all. Not a bad price at all. Okay, here now we got this. Let's see how long it is. Okay, we got this 56-inch, 3/4-inch pry bar. It's available in orange, green, or red. It comes in $139.99. Man, I'll tell you, Mac Tools makes some great pry bars. If you was looking for some pry bars, Mac Tools pry bars are really good, and I like Matco Tools pry bars. I do not like Snap-on pry bars at all, and that's just my preference. If you like Snap-on pry bars, there's nothing wrong with it, buddy. Then we got the rechargeable stick light here. Comes in 3 different colors. One stick light, $99.99. Okay, now this is another great deal. My buddy actually ordered this, and I probably should, but at the time, I'm not spending as much money on anything at this point in time, but I would like to have this because it is a great deal. You get this hole saw kit, $129.99, 13-piece hole saw kit. High quality, and like I said, with the 3-jaw puller and everything, hole saws, drill bits, and things like that, you can get away with using cheap stuff, but they're gonna wear out quick, so if you have to use them on a regular basis, just spend the money up front, man. I promise you. Okay, now we got the clothes here. Let's take a look at it. Mac Tools hats. I'm just gonna scan through it. You can look at the prices. That's not a bad looking hat. Another one. I like that one. Leather belt, man, $36.99. Dang, and everything up in here. Got the wild card tee, men's skull tee, the lucky lady, the turbo, the whistle drive following it. Then we got built to last, man, the hoodie. That'd be my motto for life, I guess. And we got the Mac Tools hoodie, and we got the charcoal Mac Tools hoodie. Now we're coming up here. You got the plaid button downs, $80. Mac Tools, Windbreaker, Dickies jacket. Okay, we got the women's reflective dome logo capri legging. So that's for your lady or for you if you like to wear leggings. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I don't care what you do. See here. Then we got the women's pullover. Raglan tee. There we go. Now we got for your little boy, your little girl. I think that's pretty nice that Mac Tools does that. I mean, it's obviously because they're going to get more money, but it's pretty cool to share something with your kid that you're passionate about, or your work with your kid, and maybe they can do the same thing one day if you wanted them to go in that route, or they wanted to go in that route. or regardless, it's building a little bit of a bond, in my opinion. Then we got the puzzle here for the kid. Then we got the engine toy here. That would I would buy that for my son. Then we got the neon Mac tool sign, $199.99. The piston shot glasses, $24.99. If you drank, those would be pretty cool to have. I would like to have a couple. Then we got the board and stroke graphic flag, $34.99. We got the women's contrast Raglan. Then we got the women's lightweight pullover. This girl loves her mechanic beer holder, $9.99. Yeah, that way your girl can advertise you. Let the world know that she's yours. And we got the piston jewelry set here, $19.99. And then on the back, we got the Spy sunglasses, $115.99 for that pair, $115.99 for that pair. But all right, man, that's going to be it. I'll try to make this as quick as possible here. I'm going to go ahead and end this. I'm going to try to start on another video here. We're going to get some videos published this weekend. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe, like, or comment, or dislike, whatever floats your boat. It's all good to me. So, y'all, till next time, man, take it easy.